there, it's Estee, your Singaporean friend from the other side of the world. After 2 days of rain, finally the sun is out today. And in this vlog, I'm going to slow down in our little Swedish cottage. And guess what? My daughter is joining us for lunch today. I will show you how to make bánh chả. Remember that smoky, tangy Vietnamese dish that I love? And I'm also going to be baking some healthy, crunchy Swedish seed bread for fika. So come, grab a cup of tea or kopi, and let's enjoy this quiet moment together. I haven't been seeing my daughter for the past 2 weeks and I missed her a lot. So now, let me show you how to make this Vietnamese bánh chả. If you don't eat pork, you could replace it with chicken or beef. If you have been to Vietnam, you will notice most of the Vietnamese dishes are made from pork. I choose to bake the meat in the oven instead of frying it. June is the time where all the wildflowers started to bloom. I like to pick them and use them to decorate and freshen up the house. I am really grateful that we could pick wildflowers without getting fined. Another thing that you will notice when you visit a Swedish cottage, the local people here like to spend a lot of money buying flowers from the shop to decorate their cottage. To me, I find that it is a complete waste of money. Why buy flowers when you could get it for free in the nature? Do you agree with me? Outhouse, also known as the natural toilet, is very common, found in the Swedish cottage. At the beginning, I was really kind of scared when using it. And after a few years, I finally adapt this way of living. Just imagine our ancestors lived through this way. It's a primitive and natural way of living. If you know how to make it bright and cozy, it's actually quite nice. I am curious to know if you would dare to take a leak here. I often invite my daughter and her boyfriend back for lunch or dinner. I think this connection is very important so that she could learn more about our culture. Living so far away from Singapore can be challenging for her to understand this. With this knowledge, I hope she could pass it on to her next generations. Now, let's make this Swedish Fröknäcke. I will include this recipe in the video descriptions. This bread is extremely healthy and is so easy to make. Instead of munching potato chips, I eat this as a snack. It's so delicious, I'm so addicted to it. It's gluten-free and it's really good for my tummy. This bread is not only gluten-free, it is also vegan-friendly and it supports weight management. If you keep them dry, they can stay fresh for a very long time. You could pair it with cheese, use it as dip, spread, or even dip them in soup. This is perfect for me because I don't like to eat sweet stuff during fika. Please give a thumbs up if you like this video. This is an important feedback for me so that I know if you like this kind of content or not. We are currently preparing our Airbnb for our foraging guests. In this video, you will see how your accommodation will look like. I hope you stay tuned for this one.